Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to log in to Google Play Store on your desktop. But before jumping into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to our video, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Then open any web extensions. Then in the search bar type www.googleplay.com and press enter. Then you will be taken into the official web page of Google Play Store. Then on the top right hand side of your screen you will see a blue sign in button. If you press there, then it will open another tab where it will ask you to choose an account or use another account. If your account is already there, press there, and if it is not, then press use another account. There you have to enter your email address, then press next. After pressing next button, it will ask you to enter your password. After entering the right password, press next. Then your account will be successfully signed in. Then it will ask you for the two-step verification code. If you have turned on two-step verification, then it will ask you to either tap yes on the notification to verify that it's you who is trying to log in. If you verify, you will be successfully logged in into Google Play Store in your desktop. I hope today's video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.